Hey guys, Catherine McCord here, aka Catherine McCord. Yeah, today I'm at my aunt's house spending time with my two dogs, Jesse and April. Yeah, I'm already shooting a video of Jesse now. Yeah, so I want you guys to meet him. Yeah. Yeah, April is inside resting. Yeah, I had him since he was a puppy. Yeah, he was about 5 weeks old, I think. Well, I can't remember how many weeks he was. But yeah, he was so cute though. He still is cute though. Yeah, Jesse is 3 years old. Pretty soon he'll be 4 on July 30th. Yeah. My uncle just got him a new chew toy, which he had been chewing right now. Yeah, and now's the right time to play with him now. Want to play? Give me that chew toy. Give me that chew toy. Hey, Jesse, let me have that. Yeah, I think he doesn't want me to grab it though. Yeah, dogs can be very protective of their toy. It's okay. I get him this time. Yeah. Yeah. It's like dogs are actually protective of their owner, but they're also protective of their toy. Okay, it's hard to explain, but never mind what I said. Yeah, the reason why Jesse is at my aunt's house is, yeah. Well, the reason why he's at my aunt's house is because, at my house, the office doesn't allow big dogs, so he stays here until he moves somewhere. Yeah, comment down below if you like my dog. Yeah, leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell notification so you never miss any of my videos. Yeah, I heard that Mr. Meat 2 is actually here, so I was already playing it. Well, I'll definitely upload a video. Yeah, comment down below on what you think I should do next. Alright. Anyways, I'll see you later. Please like and subscribe. Yeah. See ya.